Hey everybody, it's Monday. I'm Suzanne White with Hearth and Haven with the Harvey Callis Real Estate Brokerage. It's time for a Monday market update. So what happened in Prince Edward County this week in real estate? Well, we had 25 new listings come on the market. We had 6 listings have accepted conditional offers. We've had 15 that have gone firm, and we have 15 that closed. So this is good news because overall, our number of new listings has gone up and the number of closed has gone down a little bit, meaning that we're maybe starting to see a bit of a growth pattern in number of listings. That would be good because we've had so few listings that everything's moving really, really quickly, which is not good for buyers, and it's a little bit of a frenzy that it puts everybody in. It also leads to some false expectations amongst sellers. So hopefully, maybe things might calm down just a wee bit. It is the end of October. It's been beautiful weather outside, so we are still having lots of people coming to look. Things are maintaining strength. If it starts to turn and get really snowy, that could change things, but for right now, everything's great. So that's it for me. See you next week. Bye.